Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by saving work and closing apps to avoid data loss. Once done, open Task Manager and Services with administrator rights so you can stop processes safely. This prevents file locks. You'll look for the Windows Update Service and related services like Background Intelligent Transfer Service and Software Protection. Note their status. Make sure to disable Automatic Restart in Settings so the machine won't reboot mid-process. These first actions create a controlled state to halt the installation safely. Next, stop the Windows Update Service, bits, and cryptographic services from services or via netstop commands. This halts ongoing transfers. Once stopped, rename C /Windows/software distribution and C /Windows/system32/catroot2 to preserve logs yet force a fresh cache. This prevents the installer resuming with corrupt files. If files are locked, boot into safe mode to rename them. Also remove pending XML from WinSXS to cancel staged installs. Finally, restart the update, bits, and cryptographic services, or simply reboot to let Windows recreate clean update folders. This completes the stop and reset cycle. Once back, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter, plus DISM and SFC scans, to repair component store problems. This explains why future installs will succeed. If an update still insists on installing, uninstall the specific KB from Settings or use System Restore to revert. If nothing works, contact support. Keep restore points enabled next time.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.